A very good morning, student. Are you all welcome to the online class? Today we are going to see the sexual reproduction in human. I hope you all are active in this class. What we have seen the last class, we have just seen a fertilization. That is a process of fertilization in plant. Today we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction in human. We already seen that a reproduction, that is a sexual reproduction in plant, but today we are going to see the sexual reproduction in human. You are already studying the 9th standard itself, structure of a male and female reproductive system. Here a human being, a male and female reproductive system, just they are differ from that. Here a human reproductive system differ from the two things. The first பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா anatomically they are differ, and physiologically just they are differ. Here what are the anatomy and what are the physiology. Anatomy, ana, just you have to say that anatomy, just taken a tom. Ana which mean up, tom which mean cut. Here cut up. If they are having some organism, just taken a leech. If you are going to cut up, what you have seen that you are just seen an internal part, right? So anatomy which mean that is the internal organ. Here a physiology which mean functions. What is in a physiology? Functions. To study about the function. Logy which mean to study. Here a study of function. So human differ from the, that is in a what? They are human reproductive system of male and female. Human reproductive system of male and female, just they are differ from the anatomically and physiologically. And now here a new individual develop. When they are developed at the time of an reproduction. Okay, new individual are developed in the fusion of male and female gametes. Male and female gametes get fused to form a new individual, that is the offspring. That is a baby. Here a sexual reproduction involves the fusion of haploid, a set of chromosome to form a diploid. Here they are having a difference between also what is in a haploid, what is in a diploid. Haploid here which mean they are having a separate haploid, separate a male, sorry this is female, and separate female and separate a male gamete. When they are diploid, they are fusion in that form of egg and sperm fusion to form a zygote. In that zygote stage we given a name of a diploid. So this is the haploid. They are having a separate a male and separate female set, that is the haploid. Or gamete separate irundana at the haploid. Okay, ma diploid. When they are saying a diploid, when the fusion of male and gamete to form a zygote, a baby or starting stage of zygote. Okay, upper form ana we given a name of a diploid. Here when they are fertilization, diploid form ahona, they are having some reproductive system. Organs of reproductive system, they are majorly divided as two things. The first one is the primary and second one is the secondary. What is the first one? Primary, 6 organs, and second one is the secondary 6 organ. Here a secondary 6 organs also indicate another word, that is the accessory 6 organ. Accessory, there is an important 6 organs. Here let we say the first one a primary, next we have to see the secondary. What is the first topic we are having here? A primary 6 organ. Here a primary 6 organ, if you have taken a male, and next one female. If you are going to say in a male, we called as a testes. If you have taken a female, we given a name of ovaries. So here to see what a primary sex organ. Male na testes, female na ovary. You know that very well. Yeah. So next one they are having a accessory sex organ. What is the next one? Accessory sex organs. Here accessory sex organs, which means that important organs of a male and female. Let me say a male first one. Male. What is an accessory? A sex organ. First one is the vas deferens. We already studied that, right? First one is the what? Vas deferens. And second one is the epididymis. And next one is the seminiferous vessel. That is the seminal vessel. Vesicles. Okay. And next one, a prostate gland. And last one is the penis. So this is the what? Accessory sex organ of a male. First one, vas deferens. Vas deferens, then that is a tube-like structures and a epididymis. Number of seminiferous tubule they form a epididymis. Seminal vessels, they are having a tube-like structure, and prostate gland. Some of the glands are involved in that at the time of ejection of a sperm. Okay, a penis, that is a way of ejection of sperm. So here these are all the accessory sex organ of male. We move on next one, accessory sex organ of female. Here the next accessory sex organ of female. The first one is a fallopian tube. What is the first one? Fallopian tube. And second one is the uterus. And next one is the cervix. And last one is the vagina. This is the last one, vagina. So these are all the accessory sex organ of female. First one is the fallopian tube. Here they are given a fallopian tube. You know that very well about the female reproductive system, right? Here this is the what ma? A female reproductive system. And now the first one is the fallopian tube. Here this is the what? Fallopian tube. And next one is the uterus. And here this is the uterus and cervix. And here the cervix part and vagina. Here cervix is the opening part and here the vagina. So these are all the accessory sex organ of female. So that's it for a parts of, just I indicate the parts only. Okay. And next one, sex. Here they are having given a accessory sex organ, right? So they are having some functions also. Their involvement, where they are involved. The first thing, just write a topic, involvement of accessory sex organ. That is the secondary sex organs are include the structures which are involved in the, what are the process they are involved. First thing, main processes, the process of ovulation. What is the first one? Process of ovulation. And next process, a fusion of, what they are getting a fusion here, both male and female gametes. What is the purpose they are getting a fusion? For the fertilization. And next one, a division of fertilization egg up to formation of embryo. Here they are getting a fertilization to form a zygote. When they are getting a stuff up to reach the, that is the third process, up to reach the formation of embryo. And next one, if they are getting a fertilization, automatically we call it as a pregnancy. And next one, development of fetus. Pregnancy nale automatic baby enna agum, development agum illaya. And next process, that is the development of fetus. And last process fetus develop ana, just have to write here, childbirth. So these are all the functions are done by the female, that is a accessory sex organ. Okay, so now let me study about the detailed explanation of male and female reproductive system. Let me more first topic, male reproductive organ. Okay, let me more first one.